I'm Ron Hicks, Vice President of Marketing and Programs at Automated Precision. I've been at API now for 14 years. Working at API means you wear a lot of hats. For most of my career at API, I've run the services organization, basically started it. I really was able to do what I did best in my previous career and basically implemented at API, which has worked very well. Over the last year, in my current position with marketing and program management, I've been able to really understand how API works as a whole. I've been very close to the product and how we basically build it, what goes into it, the engineering, problems, and everything that makes API tick. I've been able to hopefully understand that and I'm trying to make a difference there. I've been working in metrology for more years than I care to tell you. I was at Newport News Shipbuilding as their metrology manager, and I was basically applying new technology, which was photogrammetry and theodolite systems and laser trackers after a period of time to shipbuilding, which was really fun. I had a passion for that because I could see where the technology would improve shipbuilding, and it has tremendously, not just at Newport News Shipbuilding, but shipbuilders all over the world. After a period of time, I thought, well, it might be good to join a metrology company. And I was very attracted to API because, one, they were attracted to me, and I thought I could really make a difference there, and I think I have. And I have a lot more to do, so that's how I got into metrology, and that's how I started with API. Anything that I do that can make our instrumentation better, more user-friendly, more innovative, helps metrology. And I'm at that cornerstone, if you will, that lets me to be able to share my influence, my thoughts, and be able to push things in the right way. The way I look at nothing beyond measure is, as it applies to API, API is very focused on providing upscale products that you can put in your manufacturing facility and day one be productive with. And it's just not that. We also have services, contract services, and we take on projects that many of our competitors probably don't take on, in terms of a customer comes up and says, how do we do this with your tools? When you talk to API, that's what you're going to get. You're going to be able to have a metrology solution for your problem. And if we can't solve it, we'll try to point you in the right direction. The product that excites me the most right now is our new 9D LiDAR. It's a game-changing technology that I can only think about possibilities. And when our customer base learns about the capabilities and how they can apply it, I think it's going to be a tremendous asset that's going to, one, grow API, but it's also going to make things maybe that were very difficult to do in metrology or manufacturing in other companies and make them somewhat easier. So customers will be able to attack problems that they have now in new and maybe better ways. So LiDAR is very exciting. Like I said earlier, I always felt like I could make a difference at API. You're not a number there. You can, whatever you know, and if you apply yourself and you can work with people there, you can basically make API go in a direction that we've only dreamed of. And that gets me passionate about the company. So many of the people that I know that I started out with are retired now, and I'm not thinking about that, as I really am passionate about this industry and I'm passionate about the company, and I just want to see it do well.